addressed at all times. Thank you.
Well, you're on. All right, good morning, everyone. All right, Ms. Gooden, you're not scheduled to be here until 9. Even we're gonna for a half-hour grace period after that time to sign in.
Okay, Your Honor, thank you.
All right.
Okay. No problem.
All right, you have Kyle Logan. Kyle. And Logan. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Kyle Antoine Logan, case number SP 124-26391, SP 124-56561, SP 134-56701, SP 1399173, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor. Good morning. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant.
All right, this is the date and time set for pre-trial in the matter. Let me get Mr. Logan's file and see what's going on. No ops. I don't know what this other one is. Operating while using cell phone and unregistered, untitled, failure to stop, unsafe, driving in an unsafe manner, no proof of insurance. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. Get you an offer, or I can get you a trial date. All I have here is ROAs, Mr. Warley.
Understood, Judge.
So you want to speak to your client? What do you want to do, Mr. Logan? You want to wait on an offer, or you want to just set it for trial?
What do you mean, wait on the offer?
Or you want to speak to, okay, I'll wait on the offer.
What do you?
All right, we're going to meet the city attorney.
Good morning, Judge. Have you called a Martez Lloyd? Can you give me your charger, please?
Martez Lloyd? No. I got you checked in now, though.
Your Honor, have you called a Gary Gores? Gary Gores.
I have you checked in. I have everybody checked in that was on, that's on here. I see everybody on here.
Listen, I'm in court. This court, this Zoom court. You got to go back there because I can't have no noise.
And everybody, could you please mute your devices? You mute your device until the judge does call your case.
Excuse me, can I check in real quick?
I have everybody checked in. Who's that?
My name's Jose Granado, Granado. I was in the meeting, but I didn't hear my name.
Yeah, I didn't call most people's names. I have you down.
Oh, okay.
In the order that you came in.
Oh, okay.
If you could make me co-host.
Mr. Garvin hasn't been checked in.
Listen, I got you checked in, sir. I have everybody checked in on here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We're waiting on a offer for Mr. Logan, so we're gonna pass that matter, and then we're gonna call.
This is Japan call for Judge Perkins.
The City of Detroit versus Alonzo Oma Tyrone Garvin, case number SP 1285491, SP 1306451, count 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
And may it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Hey, Mr. Garvin, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Alonzo Omar Tyrone Garbin.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. I will set aside default on the one civil infraction SP 1285441. And he's got, you have valid insurance and registration, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Can you show me the documentation, please? You have to turn it over. All right, now that is registration. What date is that registration out on there? November 29th, 26th, 2022, 2000 black. I don't know why, what is that, 2010? All right, so let's see, all right.
So what?
I'm satisfied on that. 1, 2. All right, what about an effective equipment, $120, we'll dismiss everything else.
Your Honor, I don't mean any disrespect, but I have a hearing problem and somebody stole my hearing aid, so I'm trying to listen to you off this box.
All right, what about defective equipment? $120, we'll dismiss everything else.
I can pay that, Your Honor.
All right, that's 0 points. It's a civil infraction. It doesn't expensive parking ticket.
Okay.
All right. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor?
Yes, he will, Your Honor.
All right, and will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, we will, Judge.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the defective equipment, SP 1306451, count 2, and count 1 and count 3 are dismissed, and also SP 1285491 is dismissed. When can you pay that 120, sir?
I can come down and pay it right now, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. I'm going to give you 7 days to get that here. We'll close it out in 7 days.
If I excuse me, Your Honor, if I go downstairs to pay it today, will it show up on my thing? Because I can pay it today.
It'll show up. It'll show up. You'll be able to pay it today.
Okay, I'll be down there today to pay it, actually within an hour.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Lopez Reyes, are you, do you need an interpreter?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Ines Sucros. I am your Spanish interpreter.
Sí,
How are you? Good morning.
Buenos días. ¿Usted necesita la asistencia de un intérprete? Yes.
sí la necesito.
Yes, I do need the assistance of an interpreter.
Okay. All right, Madam Interpreter, can you put your name on the record, please?
Sure, Your Honor, Ines Ucros, INES, Ucros, UCROS, qualified Spanish interpreter.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Maria Lopez Reyes. Case
Buenos
number,
días a usted. Esta es la ciudad de Detroit versus el señor José María López Reyes.
case numbers SP 1299034, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Bueno, este es el número de caso SP 1299034 en los cargos 1, 2, 3.
Appearance for the record, please.
Preséntense para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling on behalf of the defendant.
Buenos días, su señoría, el señor Ben Warling representando al demandado.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Sir, do you have a valid driver's license?
Bueno, esta es la hora y la fecha seleccionada para hacer una conferencia preliminar a la audiencia por la falta de una licencia de conducción válida.
Sir, do you have a valid driver's license?
Señor, ¿usted tiene una licencia de conducción válida?
¿Cómo se llama? La internacional es la que tengo, la única que me dieron ahí de la aseguranza.
The international driver's license is the only one that I have. That was the only one they gave me at the insurance.
How long have you lived? Are you a citizen of the state of Michigan, city of Detroit?
¿Y cuánto tiempo ha vivido usted aquí? Usted es ciudadano y residente de la ciudad de Detroit y del estado de Michigan.
No la tengo.
No, I do not have it. No.
You want to speak to him in the breakout room, Mr. Warbling?
Yes, Your Honor.
Señor Warling, ¿usted quiere hablar entonces en una sala separada? Sí, su señoría.
All right, let's pass that matter. We need a city attorney. Pretty quick. We got it lined up. All right, let's call the case City of Detroit versus Matthew Riley Donahue List. Case number 2274-60771. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please, Mr. List.
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Matthew Riley Donahue List.
All right, can I see the proper documentation that you said you have?
Proof of insurance, Your Honor.
Yes. Let's see, he said he sent it here.
I also sent an electronic evidence document that's easier to read.
Right, I have it here. Somebody's blowing their nose. I have it here. All right, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. You gotta have this documentation on you. I don't know what happened on that date, sir, but you're gonna have to make sure your documentation on you, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Yes, Your Honor. Am I dismissed? May I leave the Zoom meeting or would you like me to stay?
Dismiss, yes. Case is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this is gonna be the city of Detroit versus Summer Nicole Odom. Case numbers you strike that SP 1293417, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Odom, state your name for the record, please.
Summer Odom.
All right, you indicated, good morning to you, indicated that you had valid insurance or registration.
Yes, sir.
Can I see those documents, please? Okay, I'm satisfied with that. And slide it over. Oh, no, push it up, no, the other way. Push it up so I can see the expiration date. What is the expiration date on that?
The expiration date is May 4th, 2023.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. All right, Ms. Odom.
Thank you, sir.
All right, there's nothing further. You have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Mr. Perkins. You have a blessed day.
Thank you. All right. You're free to leave now.
Thank you.
How do I get this? It should be on. It lights up. It should be on. What? I don't know. I can't hear nothing.
Good morning.
You're here, sir. We can hear you.
Hello?
Good morning to you. Okay, is this Justice Lyons? Is this
Yours
Justice
isn't till 9
Demetrius
now.
Lyons?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Justice Demetrius Lyons, case number SP 1305726, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Oh, no appearance, hold on. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Lyons.
Justice Lyons.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Lyons, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I do.
Let's see that document.
Registration.
All right, I'm satisfied with that.
Insurance.
And I'm satisfied with that. You have an improper equipment here, sir. These tinted windows are getting you in trouble.
Your Honor, I thought 20% tint was legal.
No, not on the front window, sir. Not on the front window side, on the front driver's side or passenger side windows or the front windshield. So that's what's getting you in trouble. Gonna cost you $120. I'll give you one-time deal. You take that tint off the windows, don't come back. Well, you don't come back in here with that again, and I'm gonna let it go this time, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, but come back in here again, you're not gonna get the same deal. Tints are not legal on the front windows, driver or passenger side, or the front windshield. Except for probably 4 inches above the front wheel shield, but that's old school stuff. You wouldn't know anything about that. They used to have it on the cars automatically from the dealership like that. All right, I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good one as well.
All right.
Hello, Your Honor.
Yes.
My name is Veda Gaines. I didn't hear my name checked in. I just want to make sure that I'm checking in properly.
You're checked in, sir. Good morning to you.
Oh, good morning also. All right. Well, I can put my hand down. I pushed the hand raise button. All right, thank you.
Your Honor,
All right, I've got you guys checked in. I've got, what's that phone number? 313-463-3
3893.
3893.
I can rename it. Who do we have on the device ending in 3893? If
I don't need to have, yeah, I don't, he's so far down the list, I don't need that.
okay.
hello, Your Honor.
There he is again.
Yes, I would like to check in.
What's your name, sir?
Salvatore Lucenti.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Sarah Jane Lisinski, case number SP 129-43861, SP 129-4383, counts 1, 2, and 3. Hearing for the record, please.
Hi, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Check in. Hear you? Oh, God, I should have called 8:30.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have valid registration, insurance, and a driver's license, ma'am?
I have valid registration and insurance. I still have a 625G permit. I was unable to get my license from the Secretary of State. They recommended me to contact the precinct that I was issued. I spoke with the detective there and he said that the only way is to request a notice of adjudication.
All right, so you need to go do that, get that to the precinct, correct?
The other ones were 8. They wouldn't let me fucking check in.
Well,
I'm sorry, what did you say, Your Honor?
you need to go do that.
I did. I went to the precinct and they said that that there was nothing that they could do. So I was issued this last year, April of 2021, due to I was on the side of the road. I had been under the influence of alcohol, so I pulled myself over.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
I don't need to hear the specifics of that.
Okay.
Because I give you opportunity to go get that license. Because I know the city is gonna offer you a failure to display. That's gonna suspend your license for an additional 30 days, and probably longer, because you've been driving allegedly without the proper driver's license. So, Mr. Warbler, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Certainly, Your Honor. Good morning, Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, this is Ms. Lisinski. She has an issue with her driver's license. She's got a expired plate, no registration, no proof of insurance, all civil infractions, and a no-loss ticket. She indicated to the court that she has a 625 G permit that she needs to get off of her record. Apparently, it seems like that. I don't know if that case is over with or what, but nevertheless, I'll give your client an opportunity to get that off her record and come back, because the City of Detroit is going to offer her a failure to display. I know that's going to mess her driver's license up for probably a substantial amount of time if she pleads to that. She has an absolute right to a trial, or you can speak to Mr. Warbling in a breakout room. What would you like to do, ma'am?
I would like to speak with Mr. Warbler in the breakout room.
Oh, very well. Sit tight in that breakout room. I'm going to put you in there and I'm going to take care of this one case, and then we'll get Mr. Warbling in there to speak to you.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's go. There's already been a pretrial on this case here. So it's already been a pretrial. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jose Maria Lopez Reyes. Madam Interpreter around?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're gonna go back on the record with Mr. Jose Maria Lopez Reyes.
Bueno, vamos a volver a presentarnos en el acta en el caso del señor José María López Reyes.
All right, does he understand what's going on? Does he have some type of valid driver's license?
Él entiende qué es lo que está ocurriendo. Él tiene algún tipo de licencia de conducción válida.
The judge, he understands what's going on. He has the insurance information. He's looking for he wants to see if he can get a settlement today and have this, have a full and final settlement today, Your Honor.
Su señoría, él sí entiende qué es lo que está ocurriendo el día de hoy y él quiere presentar ante la corte los documentos relacionados con el seguro del vehículo y quiere llegar a un acuerdo para resolver este asunto el día de hoy.
Ah, está bien.
Yes, that will be all right.
All right, tell him to take his hat off, please.
Tiene que retirarse la cachucha.
All right, that'll be the city's offering failure to displays on this. I'm waiting on a city attorney to come in to give, if you want to be able to argue the position for him. But as of now, that's going to be the offer, $240.
Bueno, en este caso, el abogado de la ciudad que está representando a la ciudad podría llegar a alguna clase de acuerdo, pero en este momento él está mirando una multa de un costo de $220.
That is a misdemeanor, and that does carry a 30-day suspension along with it.
Esta es una infracción menor y esto también conlleva a una suspensión de 30 días.
Other two cases will be dismissed.
Los otros dos cargos serán retirados.
Ok, ¿qué viene siendo suspensión?
What do you mean by being suspended?
That means the secretary, you won't be eligible for a license here in Michigan until 30 days, at least after the passing of this case. And if you have any other violations, then that will extend the suspension for 2 years.
Bueno, esto es lo que significa es que usted por un periodo de 30 días no va a poder obtener una licencia de parte del estado de Michigan y si existe una infracción posterior no va a poder obtener esta licencia por un periodo de 2 años.
Okay, está.
All right, that will be all right.
I can set your client up with a trial date, Mr. Warbling, and see if he can do better.
Yo puedo enviar a su cliente, Mr. Worland, a que tenga un juicio, a ver si esta situación se puede resolver de una mejor manera.
We did discuss that option, Your Honor.
Déjeme, yo converso con él acerca de esta opción, su señoría.
You want to see if you can do better at trial, Mr. Lopez?
Señor López, ¿usted desea ver si puede tener una mejor resolución de su asunto en un juicio? Señor López.
You can't do any.
Pagar el ticket.
I want to pay the ticket.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Entonces levante su mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura y afirma que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Put your hand down, sir.
Baje la mano, señor.
Sir, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que porque usted no es un ciudadano de los Estados Unidos y esto es una infracción menor, esto potencialmente podría resultar en una dificultad en su estatus migratorio?
I didn't even check in. After 9 o'clock.
I don't think he's even paying attention.
Yo creo que usted no estaba poniendo atención.
A ver, dígamelo.
Tell me once again.
I said, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Usted está entendiendo que porque usted no es un ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, esta infracción menor podría tener implicaciones emigratorias.
O no lo quisiera que tuviera esos problemas por si llego a arreglar o algo.
Oh, I didn't want those problems to be around in case I can fix something.
All right, we'll set a trial date then. Trial date's gonna be January 1st. No, January 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. See if you can do
Bueno.
better at the trial.
Bueno, entonces nosotros vamos a darle un juicio y va a volver a presentarse en el juicio en enero 3 del 2023 a las 9 de la mañana para ver si teniendo un juicio le va mejor.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that will be all right.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you back January 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Bueno, entonces si no hay nada más pendiente, nos vemos entonces en enero 3 del 2023 a las 9 de la mañana.
Ok, muchas gracias.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, have a great day.
Que tenga un buen día.
Igualmente.
Same to you. You have a good day, Your Honor.
Yeah, do you have any more? Is that the only one you were here for, Ms. Gross?
Yes, Your Honor. I think that is the only one we have pending today. Yes, sir.
Anyone else need an interpreter? All right, have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Hurt, is that you up there? Or you signed on a different name?
No, sir, it's me.
All right, I don't know if you're not on my docket. Let's see if we can get you. Hurt, Jesse Hurt.
Yes.
Jesse Lamar Hurt.
Yes.
Third.
Yes.
You're in Millhouse. You're in the wrong courtroom.
Officer Powell told me that she talked to you about me.
Yeah, that's the problem. I meant to tell Officer Powell that I can only handle the last names G-L or O. Maybe we can get the warrants and arraign him. Check with Millhouse, see if we can arraign him, and then maybe we'll do it that way. We'll send him over there to Millhouse. All right, sis, stand by.
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tabitha Christine Latham. Case number SP 135555081 and SP 135555082. Appearance for the record, please.
Well, Your Honor, Ben Werling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Okay.
I'm sorry, you did say Tabitha Latham.
Yes, today is the date. Go ahead, Ms. Latham. Are you driving a vehicle now?
No, I'm not. It's parked. I'm sitting in my car, but I'm not driving.
All right. State your name for the record, please.
Tabitha Latham.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial on this matter. Do you have registration and insurance? Ms.
No,
Latham?
actually, the vehicle I was driving was not my car,
Ms.
and I did not
Latham?
know it did not
Ms.
have. I'm sorry.
Ms. Latham, are you're in a vehicle now, correct?
The car I'm driving now is mine, but the car that I was driving that day was
Ms.
not mine.
Latham, can you just answer the questions that I asked you, please?
Yes.
Do you have registration and insurance for that vehicle? You're looking ahead like you're driving that car.
I'm not driving. You want to see? I'm parked.
All right. Do you have registration and insurance for that vehicle that you're in now?
Yes.
Can you show me that, please?
Yes. 1 second.
All right. Go ahead in the breakout room with Ms. Lazinski. Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
Warwick. Join the breakout room, Ms. Lazinski. What did they say?
I put the pretrial date on the.
Judge, I don't believe she wasn't in two.
She's in there now.
Oh, okay, great.
Okay, I have my registrations, but my insurance is on my phone. It's digital.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to send me the insurance. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat. That's the most important thing.
Okay.
Insurance, show me the registration now, and then send me the insurance. If I'm satisfied with the documents that you present to me, I'll dismiss the case. Let's see what that is.
Can you see it? It looks like my phone.
To your right. Okay. All right, I'm satisfied with that. I got my email address in the chat. I'm going to pass this matter until I get that insurance in my email, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Jesse Lamar Hurd. The third case number is 18-360-842, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 134-08761. Thank you so much. 204-943-791. State your name for the record, Mr. Hurd.
Jesse Lamar Hurt III.
All right, today is the date and time. We're going to set it for arraignment on the bench warrant. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, recall all the warrants, give you a $0 bond, and you're going to have a pretrial date in front of Judge Millhouse on December 2nd, 2022 at 8:35. I wish I could do more for you, but that at least gets you, without the warrants on you, you'll have a date in front of Judge Millhouse. Do you have her information, sir?
No, I do not.
Let me get you that information. You have an ink pen, sir?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, sir.
You have an ink pen?
Yes, well, no.
All right, the telephone number to the court is going to be 313-965-2296. That's her clerk's number. And the Zoom ID is going to be 340. I think 340, right?
340.
340. No.
360.
340.
No, this is for.
This is for Millhouse.
So it's gonna be 360-360-0340.
All right, they're different. 360-360-0340. It's on the website. So just make sure December the 2nd, 2022 at 8:35 is going to be your pretrial. You have a $0 bond. That's for Mr. Jesse Lamar Hurt. Mr. Warbling, he is in here mistakenly. Well, not necessarily mistakenly, but he is in here because, but we have to send him off to his alphabet judge. But we did recall the warrants and give him a $0 bond.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day.
You too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lazinski. Ms. Lazinski, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Well, Judge, from getting her background version of this, is there any way I could speak with Mr. Goss about it? Or a city representative? I know she has documentation.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
she's gonna have to, it's gonna be a wait because we're waiting on, haven't seen anybody from the city yet.
Okay.
All right, so we'll pass the matter.
Thank you.
This has already been another one pretrial there. We'll pass the matter until we see someone.
Thanks, Your Honor.
All right. Okay. This is going to be the city of Detroit versus Cheryl Renee Osley, case number SP 1356975.
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
You're gonna have to be quiet. Appearance for the record, please.
Hey, please, this court, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Ms. Osley, can you state your name for the record, please? Is she there? You have to unmute yourself. Did she leave?
Is that Osley on Glassby, the Glassby device, Your Honor? Because I muted that.
I had her in as Osley,
Okay.
Is she on the calendar?
but she's not on the calendar either. Her arraignment is at 1:30 today. We'll move on.
Wait, I want to go file.
You can pull it. If she calls back, but I don't think she's gonna call back.
All right.
Sometimes it's just a sign. All right, Gus Lopez, Augusto Lopez.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Augusto Antonio Lopez, case number SB 135-46891, U63501222. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Lopez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Augusto Antonio Lopez, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Lopez, do you need some drug treatment, sir?
No, sir. I am in Narcotics Anonymous.
That's not enough.
All right. What does Your Honor recommend?
I recommend you go into our drug treatment court. Let's get somebody drug treatment on the line so Mr. Lopez can speak with them. We're also going to have to put this a matter aside to get an offer for him. And Mr. Lopez has an absolute right to a trial. We'll get somebody from drug treatment court on there, sir. I tell everybody we have and this is a fact, we have the best drug treatment court in the country. If you are willing to take the matter seriously, Ms. Judge Holmes over there really knows what she's doing, and if you take the matter seriously, I'm sure she can be of some assistance, but you have to be accepting of that and wanting of that. I'll get somebody on the line so you can speak with them and ask them any questions you want. Speak to Mr. Warbling as well, but until then, we'll pass the matter and Mr. Graham. That is Kovan Rashard Graham. Are you there, sir?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm here. I'm turning on my video right now. I am here.
All right.
Good morning. How you doing?
This is
See how I was looking these days. No, I think what it is normally I print up a sheet and those are.
all right. This is the city of Detroit. Hey, good morning. Kovan Rashard Graham, case number SP 129-6265, counts 1. S 1305058-1, SP 1305079, counts 1 and counts 2. These matters are in default. SP 1347261, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, please, Mr. Graham.
My name is Kovan Rashard Graham.
All right. I'm going to set aside the defaults in SP 1347261, counts 1 and counts 2. those matters were in default this summer. So I want to give him an opportunity to be heard on that. He owes us $25 on SP 129-62651. That's a no proof of insurance. I know he had a related case that I don't know if that was paid or dismissed. Let me see what happened to that case. The no plates case on that was dismissed by the party. So you owe $25 on this no proof of insurance. We have a no plates, unregistered, untitled, no proof of insurance, driver with defective mirror, and a no proof of insurance civil infraction. Madam Schneider, can you give us some offers? You have an absolute right to a trial. We do have a city attorney here now that's going to get these offers to us, and everyone will have an opportunity to consider the offer or to set a trial date if you do not like the offer that's available to you. All right, do you have a valid driver's license, sir, Mr. Brown?
Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna need it for this because this was something totally different, but I'm about to grab it.
Listen.
Yeah, I do.
I'm just asking whether you have a valid driver's license, because that's going to determine the offer that you make, that they may give you. You may suspend your license even further if it's not valid. So
yeah, it's valid.
Let's give Madam. I only need a offer on. I need an offer on the motion, Kyle Logan. Drug treatment that's Augusto Lopez.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I don't know if this is who is this Lions
Always a pleasure to talk to you.
That's me.
Okay, you sent me some documentation. All right, I'm still waiting on, we'll go off the record now. I'm still waiting on Ms. Latham's documentation. Did you get my email address in there?
6350122.
Yes, I'm sorry, I can't find it. I was looking for it in my email.
You're looking for my email address in your email?
No, I was looking for it in my email. My insurance in my email. I'm sorry.
You said that you had it online.
No, I said it was digital. So it was on my email, but I can't find it.
If it's digital, then that, all right, now she seems like, all right. Do you want me to give you some time to get some valid insurance to us, ma'am?
Yes, that's fine.
Because you're saying, let's go back on the record with Ms. Latham. You're saying, I don't understand. If you thought it was in your email, then that to me means that you can just go to the company and ask them to resend you another copy. But that's how it would get to your email in the first place, it seems like. But it sounds like to me that it might not be any valid insurance there. So I'm gonna give you an opportunity to get the court some valid insurance. You're driving behind the wheel of a car, you don't have the documentation that's necessary, and you probably aren't even insured. So I'm gonna get you a free trial date of December the 19th, 2022. That's gonna be your Christmas present to yourself.
Okay.
Get some valid insurance.
Okay,
right.
thank you.
And bring valid tags as well. There's nothing further. Have a great day.
You too, thank you.
You can't come with that with me. I can see right through that. Have a great day, man.
You too, thank you.
Ortiz.
Yeah, did you call Martez Lloyd?
Who? No?
Yes, good morning, Judge. Did you call Martez Lloyd?
Good morning. I said no.
Okay, I'm sorry about that, Judge. I was having technical difficulties.
You said John William Ortiz?
Yes.
Yes, I'm here.
She said 3 of these are states. Want me to email her?
What's the offer?
I wrote mine as just a dismissal for police state. They have 3.
Your Honor, is my case up, or were you just checking to see if I was here?
Mr. Logan, do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, I do have a valid driver's license.
All right, run his driver's license, please.
Your Honor, were you just checking if I was here, or was my case up?
There's about to be a, hold on a second.
All right, no problem.
All right, let's go back on the record with Kyle Antoine Logan. Mr. Logan.
Yes.
Let me say this to your lawyers. I don't have anything but ROAs. I'm just going to check your client's driver's license. We'll give him an offer based on the ROAs, but we can also set it for trial if he chooses to.
Yes, Your Honor.
She has a particular situation that counsel needs to speak to you about. Yes.
Your Honor,
All right, hold on a second. Okay, you got it. You said, all right, is Titus Anthony here? Titus Anthony Titus, officer Anthony Titus. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Sharita Dominique Gooden. Case number SP 132-75281 and SP 132-79911. Appearance for the record, please.
Ken Worling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, state your name for the record, Ms. Good.
Sharita Gooden.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial on both the matters. I called Anthony Titus, T-I-U-S. Heard no response. Go ahead, Mr. Worland.
For those reasons, we'll move to dismiss at this time, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss, ma'am. That's a birthday present for you. Have a great day. Good luck to you. Happy birthday soon.
Thank you.
All right. Case dismissed, no office. What about Loman? Is Loman here? Terrence Loman? What about Salvatore?
Salvatore Lucenti?
Lucenti, you're here?
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Can hear you.
Okay, yeah, this is Salvatore Lucenti. How you doing?
Very well. How about yourself?
Fine, sir.
All right, is there a officer, Officer Christina Messina? Christina Messina. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Salvatore Mario Lucenti, case number SP 133-19201. Appearance for the record, please.
And Worthing P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Mr. Lucenti, can you state your name on the record, please?
Salvatore Mario Lucenti.
All right, is there an officer, Christina Messina? Christina Messina, hearing no response. Go ahead, Counselor.
For those reasons, we move to dismiss at this time, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna just grant the motion to dismiss no officer. There's nothing further, Mr. Lucenti. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Am I gonna get paperwork in the mail?
You're not gonna get any paperwork in the mail. You can go online to 36 District Court and print up the paperwork yourself.
So case is dismissed then?
Case is dismissed.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day, sir.
Never fuck the show.
All right, let's get back on track. Is there a drug treatment person on the line?
I don't want you to.
I mean,
Won't hang up.
Gotta start getting ready for work.
Okay. I'm gonna put you on hold.
Salvatore. He does have a valid driver's license. At this time, sir, let's go back on the record with.
Oh, man.
Who is that? Mr. Graham?
Mute your device.
Mr. Graham, you don't want to speak up now? Let's go back on the record with Kyle Antoine.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh, no,
Mr. Logan, your offer is going to be improper plate, $240. It is a misdemeanor, but I'll dismiss that misdemeanor upon payment of $240. And it will not abstract to the Secretary of State. You'll come out of here without a misdemeanor record if you take that deal. You have an absolute right to a trial. What would you like to do? You can speak to Mr. Warbling in the break room if you choose to.
Okay, so if I take that ticket, the other ones is dismissed?
All the other ones will be dismissed, yes.
Okay, I'll take that.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, let me. Draw your attention back to April the 25th, 2022 at around 12:46 p.m. in the area of Evergreen and Capitol in the city of Detroit. Did you have an occasion encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that date and time, sir, were you operating a 2012 Chevy?
Yes.
Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle, sir?
Yes, she told me that they was unregistered, but I always had insurance on that car.
Yeah, but doesn't mean that they're registered. Did you register the plates? Did you get
Yes, sir.
registration?
Yes, sir. I got the registration and I got the proof of insurance here.
You can't take the deal then.
I mean, I just rather pay it and get it over with.
I know that's right, but you already messed that up.
Damn.
You have Did you have registration on that day?
Yes, sir.
Well, he's got a no ops, he's got driving with a cell phone. I don't know if he wants to take that. That's probably some points involved. I don't know what else to offer him. He can take a trial date and then bring those issues up at trial, but he's indicated that you know, essentially that he had the documentation that he's supposed to have. What about a driver's license? Were you able to present a driver's license to the officer on that day?
No, I just didn't have it on me.
All right, I'll offer him an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That's an amended count, sir, from the original count of no ops. You want to take that deal?
Okay. How much is that?
Same thing is going to be the same effect. No misdemeanor record, no points on your driver's license, and we'll dismiss the case upon payment.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, on that date and time, sir, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, you did.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, I couldn't.
And why is that?
Because I had left my wallet at home that day.
All right. All right, I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Oh, I'll dismiss that upon payment. 0 points, no abstraction to the Secretary of State, and we'll dismiss all the other counts with stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Logan, when can you pay?
I can pay it now.
All right, that'll be good. We'll set the date for next week. November the 15th, 2022, at review at 8:25. Pay that at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or pay that down here at the courthouse. I'm told you can upload that div that app to your phone. If you pay that, we'll get it closed out, and it'll be dismissed.
Okay, you said 240, right?
240.
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day.
All right, you too.
All right. All right. What about Graham? Did we get an offer on Graham? He has no insurance, no plate, unregistered, untitled, no insurance, effective meter, and no insurance. I said those last two weeks. All right, let's go. What's going on with Ms. Lazinski?
Dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lazinski. Where is her file? All right. The city is giving you the benefit of the doubt here, Ms. Lazinski. I don't. You know, why is this any different than Mr. Why is this any different than Mr. Logan?
Trustee Your Honor.
Yes.
On the record or off the record?
Off the record.
Judge, my understanding is that she did have, unless I got the facts wrong, I think she had the 625G on her at the time.
Morning, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, case manager. I will put you in the breakout room with Mr. Augusto Lopez.
Thank you.
Mr. Lopez, join the room and you can ask, she's gonna go over the program with you, ask any questions that you need to ask, all right? And let us know how you feel about it. Okay, is Lisbeth here? James Lisbeth, Raphael Orange, and Gilbert, Takia Gilbert? None of those people are here?
Excuse me, did you say my name is because the audio had cut off?
No, I didn't say your name, sir.
Okay, sorry.
Did you say last name Glaspie?
No, I didn't. Everybody just thinks they hear their name. Okay, she's valid. All right, I'm fine. All right, let's go back on the record. Yeah, that's another thing. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Sarah Jane Lazinski. Ms. Lazinski, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna adopt the recommendation from the city attorney. You, and Mr. Warbling, the difference is, I told her to bring a valid driver's license. I said, do you have valid registration and insurance, ma'am?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, let's see the valid registration and insurance, please.
Here's the registration. Pontiac, geez. Okay.
Okay.
And then this is my insurance card.
And you're gonna have to hold it up closer so I can make it out.
Okay.
Not close enough, ma'am. You gotta go closer than that. You're gonna have to hold it still.
Okay, let me just go like that.
That's how much.
Yes.
You see that?
Yes, now slide it over to your left. All right, I'm satisfied with that. The difference being is that they both have valid licenses, but Mr. What's his name? Mr. Logan had a lot more civil infractions. So I'm going to dismiss the tickets per the recommendation. This is a one-time deal, ma'am. City Attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, nothing further. You have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's move on. When he gets salvaged. Didn't print that out. Yes.
I didn't see it.
Honestly, never did show back up, huh? Lester Lake. Lester Lake, Odell, all right, no. All right. We have,
He's on zones.
we have Graham's, we call it the Graham case. What's where's Graham's file?
I have it, Your Honor.
All right. I think you have also Ortiz. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Rada Gaines. Case number SP 129-40781. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werwing, P64-889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mr. Gaines, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Judge, for purposes of arraignment, we'll stand mute, wait for a reading, Your Honor. Ask any KPS be set aside and warrants be recalled.
All right, I'll enter not guilty plea on the client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gaines, unfortunately, there's no reduced offer for this nature of this offense, so I can either set a trial date and see if the officer shows up, or if you can beat the case then, or you can take it and plead straight up. That's going to be a 2-point offense. It's going to be $240. It's going to be a misdemeanor on your record, and it's going to be an alcohol-related offense on your record as well. What would you like to do, sir? You can speak to Mr. Warbling in the breakout room if you need some help making an informed decision.
Oh, yeah, breakout room.
All right.
Okay.
Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Run his driver's license, please.
I emailed it to you, Your Honor.
Yeah, I got it running from the Secretary of State.
Okay.
What about insurance and plates?
Yes, I sent.
Okay, that's the document you emailed to me.
Roger.
All right. If license is good, sir, we'll give you blocking traffic for running that red signal. That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract $175. You want to take that deal or not?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put all that on the record. Hold on. Okay, are we ready on anybody? All right, so we got Mr. Gordon in the breakout room. We're waiting on an offer for Ortiz and Graham. Mr. Get that to Madam Schneider. Get that to one of the officers. Yeah, so you don't have to continue to talk back.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
He's valid.
We need you back downstairs. I'm gonna I'll try to send staff up.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, we can call this case. This is the City of Detroit versus Dijon Dewan Lyons, case number 227-434-17, counts 1 and counts 2, 227-434-19, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Oh, there's no appearance. State your name for the record, Mr. Lyons.
Dejon Dion Lyons.
All right. Mr. Worthing, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Lyons?
May it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64-889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, this is a pre-trial date. Mr. Lyons got a valid driver's license, valid registration and insurance. He's being offered a blocking traffic for this disregard and a red signal. He indicated to the court off the record that he can take it. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. You can take this and we'll dismiss the other cases. It's not a misdemeanor, it's just a civil infraction. It's $175, no abstraction to the Secretary of State, therefore no points. Like I say, akin to an expensive parking ticket. You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor?
Yes, he will, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175 with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss all the other matters.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, when can you pay, sir?
The 15th.
15th.
Roger.
I'm gonna give you I'll give you 2 weeks just so that you get that in here on the 15th, and then we'll get it closed out. And but make sure you do it. I don't want it to affect your license and cause all kind of troubles. All right.
Yes, Your Honor. Where because I don't live there in Michigan.
DIV-DAT, DIV-DAT. I'm told you can upload that DIV-DAT app on your phone. That's DIV-DAT. Or you can have somebody come down to the courthouse and pay that in person.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Pay it. All right. All right. Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaines. Mr. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in a breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge understands he has the absolute right to have a jury trial. He's waiving that right, requesting a bench trial.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Gaines?
Yes.
All right, that bench trial is going to be December the 3rd, right after the holiday, 2023. January the 3rd, I'm sorry, it's January the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
One more question. I come back to the same
Same Zoom room, yes.
Okay, awesome. All right, January 3rd, 9 a.m.
Yes. If there's nothing
Okay,
from
thank
that,
you.
Good luck to you.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Kovan Richard Graham. What if she still didn't put an offer in here? Question. Okay, the offer is pleading responsible to 134-721.
Not to interrupt, Your Honor. Am I done?
It is to interrupt. Go ahead.
Okay, sorry to interrupt. There we go. Sorry. That's what I meant to say.
You're all set, Mr. Gaines.
Go ahead.
All right, thank you.
What's your question?
I'm sorry.
I just wanted to know if I'm all set. That's all.
You're all set. Have a good day, sir.
You do the same.
January 3rd, 2023.
All right, take care.
All right, you too. This here, if he pleads that there's no insurance, it's going to cause him some potential problems at the Secretary of State. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She's asking him to plead responsible to that.
What problems might they present?
That's gonna present, let's go back on the record with Coban Richard Graham. That's going to potentially, you had one no insurance, but he just paid the $25 on that. Well, you haven't paid it yet. But I don't know if that was a responsible plea entered in on that. When you get 2 and no proof of insurances, then it's gonna have adverse effect on your license. It'll suspend your license. Let's see.
Well, I heard where I can send that other one, so I know that now.
The no insurance was dismissed by party. Mr. Goss really doesn't have him. I think that they wanted that because they're dismissing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other cases, and they wanted you to pay this $336. How about we offer you an improper plate for the no registration, and that's going to drop it down to $240. That's a misdemeanor, but I'll dismiss that misdemeanor upon payment. And it won't have any abstraction at all to the Secretary of State, plus it'll be dismissed. You want to take that deal, sir? Mr. Coban? Graham? You're gonna have to stand still, first of all. You're gonna have to, you're gonna have to stand still, sir.
I am. I was trying to go grab some stuff.
Your stuff keeps going in and out.
I know it just went out. I just turned off the headphones. It just went out. I'm getting ready for work and stuff at the same time, so I'm sorry.
All right, you want to take this deal or not? You have an absolute right to a trial.
I didn't hear the deal because it had went out. So like, what's the
so
deal?
Instead of they want you to plead, they're going to dismiss 5 cases, but they want you to plead to one of them. They want you to plead to the no proof of insurance. That's going to have some adverse effects at the motor vehicle. So, and it's $336. I see why they want you to plead to that, because it's $336. I'll give you an improper plate that's $240, and we'll dismiss the other cases, and we'll dismiss that improper plate with payment of the $240. So you can leave out of here without a misdemeanor record.
I'll take that. That's cool.
Want to take that deal?
I'll take that. Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Can you see me?
Yes. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to January 26, 2022 at around 3:04 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Federal Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
And were you operating a 2003 Ford?
Yes, I was.
Is there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle, sir?
Well, I don't even have that vehicle no more. I was actually in a car accident.
Let's not talk about that. Let's talk about, was there something wrong with the plates on that day?
Yeah, I couldn't get to the Secretary of State because it was still pandemic time.
Very well. Well, not according to this, but nevertheless, I can find your client guilty of amended count of improper plate. I will fine him $240 for that. I told him I would dismiss that upon payment. And with stipulation of probable cause, I will dismiss the other matters now.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. Other matters are dismissed. Sir, when can you pay?
Man, I get paid in 2 weeks. So
When
whenever.
can you pay? Give me a date. Give me a date. Put a date on it.
21st. Yeah, 21st.
I'm gonna give you until the December the 8th.
All right, thank you very much. You helped me out.
2022, $240, sir. The rest of the matters are gonna be dismissed. Come back on December the 8th at 8:25 to make sure that payment is in so we can dismiss the case, all right?
Yeah, come back in when you said?
On December the 8th at 8:25, first thing in the morning, so we can dismiss the case, all right?
All right, yeah.
All right. Mr. Lopez, Mr. Augusto Antonio Lopez.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record for Mr. Augusto Antonio Lopez. Good afternoon, Case Manager Cleveland. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You're on mute.
Toshi Cleveland, case manager for specialty court.
Okay, yeah, I can say today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I wanted Mr. Lopez to speak with specialty court because of the nature of the offenses. Mr. Lopez, I don't want to make this look like you're just doing this to get this over with. I wish that you would be doing this to actually get some help if you need it, right? I'm going to give him his offer though. His offer is pleading the one and dismissing the other. And then when he pleads to the one, I'm going to have him testing in my court, and they're going to have the 90 days in jail and or $500 maximum fine over his head if he violates it. Now, what did you think about the specialty court, Mr. Lopez?
I'd be more than willing to be an active participant. I'd be actually grateful for it, Your Honor.
Now, I think that we're going to have another success story of Ms. Cleveland with Mr. Lopez. I honestly do. And I'm not just saying that, sir. And statistics are on your side to say that people who accept responsibility and accept that they have an issue are more likely than not going to overcome that issue. This is not a court that is like a punishment for you if something slips up or something happens. This is a court of full disclosure, because you're going to be sentenced here, you're going to plead guilty here, you're going to go over there a convicted person. But you're going to go over there and Judge Holmes understands that. And she's not there to say, Mr. Lopez, you slipped up, now we're going to put you in jail. She wants you to be full disclosure with her. And she's going to help you work through your problems along with Case Manager Cleveland. They're not sending them all over the country, training other courts around the United States to do this if they weren't successful. Understood?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
All right. Now understand this. Your offer is going to be pleading to one, dismissing the other. You can put your hand down. And upon sentencing, or what do we do? Can I sentence today, Ms. Cleveland, and get them straight over there?
Yes, Your Honor, we can put him on the docket for next week on November 17th. if you are inclined to sentence him today, Your Honor.
Very well. So the offer is going to be pleading the one, dismissing the other. And the sentence of the court, if you take the plea, is going to be just going straight to drug treatment court. I'm going to reserve my sentence for Judge Holmes. All right?
I accept that, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I do, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I do, Your Honor.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Lopez, I'm going to draw your attention back to May the 28th, 2022 at around 6:36 p.m. in the city of Detroit. In my, well, not close, but close, in the area of East McNichols and Chrysler Drive, sir. Did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay, sir. Were you in possession of some drug paraphernalia particularly? Or what did you have on you, sir?
I had a smoking apparatus, a pipe, a torch, and also had syringes, Your Honor.
And all those, you didn't have authority to, you know, I guess Mr. Warbling, if he's going to admit to using those for illicit purposes, then he doesn't have the right to obtain those, correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Okay, so sir, were you going to use these for illicit purposes, meaning using them for smoking or shooting illegal drugs, sir?
Yes, sir.
And that you did not have a prescription for?
Yes, sir.
And that there's, you know, I don't know if that's enough factual basis. Mr. Warbling, are you satisfied?
I am, Judge. It wasn't under a doctor's written prescription, so I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Was it under a doctor's prescription, Mr. Lopez?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied. I'm going to find you guilty as charged, and with the stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss U6350122.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to leave the sentencing up to Ms. Holmes, Judge Holmes on this. I'm going to wish Mr. Lopez the best of luck. I would love to meet you in person, especially a successful Mr. Lopez in person. When you come down to the court someday, I'm going to wish you the best of luck, sir. I'm grateful for the fact that you are taking this opportunity. I think, you know, they really know what they're doing over there. I've been to one graduation so far, and I was just immensely impressed by it. Everybody over there in that department, Ms. Cleveland, all of her colleagues, Judge Holmes, they really do a very, very good job. So what's the next action date, Ms. Cleveland?
Your Honor, I would ask that he be placed on Judge Holmes' docket on November 17th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. And he does have to report in person to sign his documents and to come see our judge in person, Judge Holmes. So he will have to come to 36th District Court. Additionally, Your Honor, I did send him a test email and he will need to respond to it so I can make sure that we can communicate with one another by email.
Can you give me a good phone number for you, Mr. Lopez?
Yes, Your Honor. It's 586-665-0521.
Okay, I'm gonna just say refer to Judge Holmes. Again, I really commend you, sir. I do. I think that's a very good first step. And let us know how you're doing, all right?
I will, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, your next action date is going to be November the 17th. That's going to be in person at 8:30 a.m. And that's going to be with Judge Holmes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you.
You too.
All right, where's Mr. Ortiz's file? Did we call Mr. Ortiz's case? This is the city of Detroit versus John William Ortiz. Case numbers.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Yeah, I got it. Hold on. Let's see, case numbers, we're not calling all these, are we?
No, it was just two of them. They had got rescheduled. I got the case numbers right here if you want them.
I have the case numbers, sir.
All right.
All right, we'll call them all. This is the city of Detroit versus John William Ortiz. Case numbers SP 1267599, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1296810, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1296851, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1341232, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, Mr. Ortiz, can you state your name for the record, please?
John Ortiz.
All right, I'm looking at his driving record, counselor. And it appears that he's not a very good driver. But if he can get some of this stuff behind him, he can get a valid license. The offer is pleading to failure to display, and that's going to suspend your license for an additional 30 days. And with these civil infractions, is going to suspend it for 2 years. So I can set some of these defaults aside, let them pay the reinstatement fee, and give them an opportunity to bring in a valid driver's license. What do you want to do, sir?
Yeah, I went to the 36th District Court yesterday, and they told me I had 3 tickets I had to post a bond for to get my license back.
Well, you want to try to get a license?
Yeah, I need to get my license back as soon as possible.
All right, what I'm going to do, Mr. Warbling, is allow your client to pay these reinstatement fees up front. You need to get an ink pen out, sir.
Okay. I'm ready.
Let's see. Take this number down, SP 134 12322. $45 reinstatement fee you're gonna have to pay. Another number. SP 126-759-992. $45 reinstatement fee you're gonna have to pay. Pay those 2 reinstatement fees. You wait 48 to 72 hours. You approach the Secretary of State for a driver's license. You're gonna have to come down to the court to pay those reinstatement fees in person. The sooner you do that, the sooner you can wait that 48 to 72 hours to go to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a license, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I would suggest you come up to the courthouse, up to the courtroom and let us know that you paid those reinstatement fees. I'm setting a pre-trial date for December 9th, 2020, December 19th, I'm sorry, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. If you have any issues, sir, you can always contact the court, but I would suggest you come in when you bring that $90 in, come up to the court and let us know you paid it, all right?
Okay. What courtroom would that be?
434.
434. Okay.
I'll see you back December 19th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, I'll be down there shortly to pay that. Thank you.
All right, this is, have a great day, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Travell Jamar Gant. Case, no, strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Travell Jamar Gant. Case number SX4045752, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hey, please just Ben Werwing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Say something, Ms. Williams-Law.
Yes, sir.
No,
State
yeah.
your name, correct, Mr. Gant.
Hello.
State your name for the record, please.
Travell Jamar here.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. This is
morning.
this is a set for the date and time set for a free trial. This is a state case. I don't have a state offer. I know you don't want to plead straight up to a hit and run. So let's see if we can get the trooper in here. If the trooper shows, we'll get some resolution. Let's have you come back for a trial on January the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. Wait, I have one question. Is the hidden run a felony? Because when I got my ticket, it showed up as a misdemeanor.
It's a misdemeanor, sir. And there's another, it's got points on there. So it's about 6 points on your license. But the failure to yield is more points. So let's have you back on January 3rd, 2023 on a trial. And then we'll see, we'll see if we get some resolution on that date. All right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. There's nothing further. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
That Sabrina's iPhone? Is that Sabrina Green? Is Sabrina there? Okay, let's move on. Little. What's going on?
I was gonna say, let me know when he's ready to talk to me. I'm gonna go down to the office. Cause he's busy.
Oh, okay. He can hear you.
It'll be a minute.
It'll be a minute.
Yes, I'm here.
That's what I thought.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Sabrina Green, case number SP 124-86951, SP 124-86671. Appearance for the record, please.
Hey, please, this court, Ben Werwing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mr. Green, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have valid insurance, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Can you show me that insurance?
Yes, I can. One moment.
You're gonna have to turn the background off.
I don't have anything else on.
Okay, it looks like you have a background on there.
Oh. I might have hit
Yeah.
something.
No, with that background on your device, it's not gonna show that insurance. You're gonna have to turn your background off.
Okay, I got it. I hit something wrong. How's that?
All right, let's see what you have there. 11/5/2023 compass. Okay. All right, I'm satisfied with that. What's going on with this defective equipment?
Actually, I sent you an email of I took a picture when I actually had to get it fixed, and I took a picture with the light fixed. I sent it to you to your email.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, you as well. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Marquise Raphael Little, case number ST 129-17211. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Ben Warbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Little, state your name for the record, please.
Marquise Little.
All right, this was good morning to you. This was a case we adjourned so you can get counsel.
You say that again?
This was a case we adjourned so you can get yourself a legal rep, hire yourself a lawyer.
Now, my lawyer is attorney Kevin Bassant. I gave him a text this morning, didn't get a reply back. He said he would be on Zoom with me today. I haven't heard from him.
All right, we're gonna pass the matter and see if we can get in touch with Mr. Bassant. See if he signed on here. No, not yet. All right, we'll pass the matter. Maybe you can give him a call again.
Okay.
He's not signed up here. Do you want to go with Mr. Warbling, or do you want to get, if you got Mr. Bassant, you have his number, Bassant.
Not Tucson,
Bassant, Kevin. Not Tucson.
starts with the B.
Yes. All right, let's go with Jose Granado Abate Abito.
Hello, sir. That's me.
Give me the correct pronunciation of the last name.
It's Granado.
Granado Abito.
Aboite.
Aboite.
Yeah, that's right.
Very well. Oh,
excuse me, sir. I'm wearing a face mask because I'm currently working in a nursing home, and they require us to wear.
I didn't ask about your face mask, sir.
Oh,
I was really shocked to see all these cases.
All right.
Yes. Is that Martez Lloyd?
Yes, good.
All right.
Yes, good. I'm here for the record.
I'm just getting
Good
your
morning.
printout together. All right. Give me the pronunciation of that last name again, Mr. Bernardo.
Aboite.
Aboite. This is ridiculous. This makes absolutely no sense. Yeah, whole page of cases. All right. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jose Luis Renato Aboite. Case numbers SP 11337861, SP 11337891, SP 123258, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1268017, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1268641, SP 127234001, SP 1272363, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1358514, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1358515, counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus Jose Luis Renato Aboite, case number SX33-09973. SX 3787633. 1. SX 38471951. SX 4030814, count 1, 2, and 3. 18442031. 2274480, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And may it please this court, Ben Werbling on behalf of the defendant, P64889.
This is these allegations really amount to me as Mr. Aboite is just based on the allegations, not that it's saying that it's true or not, but based on the allegations, just saying that he just does whatever he wants to do without any regard for anybody. That's what it's saying. Now, I don't know if it's true, but it certainly speaks to that by way of the allegation. If you want to offer, you're going to have to go to the Better Drivers course. It's an online course. Please, I'm going to put this information in the chat. The information's in the chat, sir. If you want the offer, you're gonna have to go there unless you're just gonna plead straight up to all these counts.
Excuse me, Your Honor. What's the offer?
There's no offer.
Oh, I thought. Oh, I'm sorry.
There's no
I heard you.
Want an offer? You're gonna have to go to that better driver's course. I put it in the chat.
Okay.
I'm gonna give them a pre-trial date of December 19th, 2022. That's gonna give you an opportunity to complete that. Did you see the information I put in the chat, sir?
I seen it pop up. Was I supposed to click it and save it, or?
You're supposed to take a screenshot of it. If you can just go back down to the chat again, I'll populate it one more time.
Okay. Okay, I see. It says betterdrivers.com.
Yes, take that course, sir. Take that information and give me that certificate before the next court date. I want you to be prepared to let's have some dialogue on what you learned in the course. Because
okay.
Based on what they're saying, you need some serious driver intervention before you kill somebody or kill yourself, or both.
Okay. Excuse me, Your Honor. I have a question.
What's your question?
Is the driving program like a driving school type of stuff like that, or?
No, it's online, so it's going to be all online stuff.
Oh, okay. And you said my next court date is on December 19th?
Yes, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. I got it.
Oh, okay.
Be prepared to have some. Be prepared to tell us what you learned. So I'll take good notes in that course. All right.
Okay. One more question, Your Honor. And after those classes, like, what's gonna happen on my next court date? Because I mean, on some of those cases, well, it's hard to argue about anything when I have a driving record like I do. So it's kind of like hard.
You're gonna have a chance to speak with the lawyer. We're gonna get you an offer on your next court date.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Because I'm honestly trying to like get everything in order already.
I don't want to hear it, sir. I don't want to hear it. I want to see it. I don't want to hear it.
Okay, Your Honor. And I'm all set. I'm all set then?
You're all set.
All right.
Good
Thank
day,
you.
sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
He got out of here faster than they say he drove. He was driving. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Martez Therese Lloyd. Oh, let me see.
Good morning.
All right. Good morning. Let me see. Case numbers. SP 1007586 counts 2, counts 3. SP 1007587-1. SP 1306000 counts 1 and counts 2. SP and count 3. I got 17-3504761 20-58288 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this honorable court, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, please, Mr. Lloyd.
Yes, Judge. Martez Tyrese Lloyd.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. You too are going to. You gotta get better connection, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Let me switch up my connection. 1 second.
All right, you two are gonna need to take the better driver's course in order to get an offer, a decent offer from the city. Also, he needs to get a valid driver's license, Mr. Warbling. He appears that the way it's written that he's never obtained a driver's license. I don't know if that's true. He
Yes, I'm
has,
still here.
His device is not.
Can you hear me, Judge?
I can hear you now.
Okay.
All right, can you turn your camera off, please, sir, and stand still? And in one spot, the camera will help the transmission of the device go better. All right, sir, are you interested in trying to get a valid driver's license?
Yes, Judge. I'm actually trying to join the Wayne County Sheriff's Office to become a Wayne County Sheriff Officer, Correctional Officer. I'm trying to clear up my. I'm trying to clear up my traffic ticket.
What we're gonna do, very good, sir. As for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Judge, for purposes of arraignment, we'll stand mute and wait for formal reading at this time.
All right, so what I want your client, we're gonna have to set a trial date because this providing a false ID is not allowing, they're not gonna give you an offer on this. And you don't need that on your record. Hold on, sir, don't speak about it. It's not the time for that. Well, I want you to take the better driver's class. It's in the chat. I need you to take a screenshot of that class. I want you to take that class. And then what I'm going to allow you to do is I'm going to allow you to pay 2 of these reinstatement fees up front, $45 a piece. You're going to have to come down to the courthouse to pay those. It appears that those will free up your license. That's what it appears, that those will free up your license. I'm going to set aside the default. For SP 1007586 count 2. And we're going to set a trial date for all the matters on January 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. The warrants are lifted. I'm going to give him a $0 bond. I'm going to enter not guilty pleas on his behalf. And I'm allowing him to pay the 2 reinstatement fees, 204-582-88, counts 1 and counts 2. I'm allowing him to pay those reinstatement fees up front. You understand everything, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I want you to take the better driver's course. Did you get the course out?
Yes, I'm not getting that. It hasn't popped up.
Oh, okay. Take a screenshot of that, please.
Okay, yes, Judge, I have it.
Take a screenshot of that. I want you to take that course, come down to the courthouse and pay the reinstatement fee on those 204-582-88 counts 1 and counts 2 cases. Bring $90 in and pay those 2 reinstatement fees, $45 a piece, and then come back for date of trial. And then when you come back on the date of trial, I want you to tell us what you learned about that course.
Can you say that one more time, Judge?
When you come back for trial, I want you to tell us what you learned about that course.
Okay, yes, sir, Judge, will do.
Okay, if it's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day. January the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. is your next court date.
Yes, sir, Judge. Judge, I have one question. I'm supposed to start training camp in January, so that won't affect me in training camp, will it?
No, you'll have the warrants off. You have the warrants off of you now.
Okay, and
So
I can go and get my.
you passed the test?
Yes, I just had to get my. I just
Congratulations,
had to
sir.
get my driver's license.
Well, you bring
Excuse me,
those,
Judge?
you bring those, that $90 down here and pay those reinstatement fees, and you could potentially get your driver's license. Come up to the court and let us see that you paid those reinstatement fees.
Yes, sir, Judge. Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Gary Melvin Boris III, case number SP 130-634-912 and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
And please, this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbeling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mr. Boris, can you state your name for the record, please?
Gary Melvin Gores III.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a free trial in the matter. Mr. Boris, do you have registration and insurance?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. Can I explain just briefly?
No. All I want to see is registration and insurance, sir.
Okay, hang on. Let me reverse the camera here. Here's the registration.
Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Let's see the insurance.
She, because it currently was not my vehicle, so she left the wrong insurance, but I can submit it. There is insurance on the vehicle because I do not have a vehicle. I was borrowing the vehicle, but here's the insurance she left me. This is the one that expired in August, but she does have the correct insurance. She left me.
Hold it up, hold it up, sir. Slide it over to your left. Okay.
But she does have insurance on the vehicle. She left me the wrong ones.
All right. What about these tinted windows?
I will get them taken off for you, sir. I just got my license back. I haven't had a license in 18 years. I paid all my tickets off through the City of Detroit, Farmington Hills, Novi. I mean, I have a valid driver's license now. I'm not trying to get anything to affect
All
that.
right, Mr. Boris, it's a one-time deal. He showed me valid registration at the time, valid insurance at the time this ticket was written. I'm going to dismiss the case. I'm going to do you like, I forget who that other gentleman was. I think Garvin. If you come back in here with those tinted windows again, you're not getting a deal, sir.
No, I appreciate you, sir. God bless you, seriously.
All right, if there's nothing further, God bless you as well. Have a great day. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Let's see. Let's go with Alonzo Long. Is Alonzo Long here?
Oh, yeah.
Are you have a valid driver's license, sir?
I'm not sure if it's valid at the moment.
You don't know if you have a valid driver's license?
No, I haven't drove in a while.
This is the City of Detroit versus Alonzo Darrell Long Jr., case number SP 135-73771. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Ben Werbeling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
He's coming up. Alonzo Long, Darrell Long. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial in the matter. I'm going to run the driver's license and see where we are. Let's go off the record. Is Justin Lyons here? Is Johnny Lyons here? Okay, who's on that OnePlus Nord device? his license is canceled. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Long. Mr. Long, your license is canceled. See what's going on with your license. When was the last time you've been to the Secretary of State, sir?
I think last month I paid the last ticket I had.
Why didn't you get a license?
I didn't know I could.
You went to the Secretary of State and didn't even ask him for a license?
Oh, not the Secretary of State. I thought you said 36, but I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm gonna allow him to get back down to the Secretary of State. It appears that he's eligible for a license. You wanna go get a license, sir?
Man, I'm gonna try to get on today. If they allow it.
Bring back the license, I'll dismiss the ticket. I'm gonna set him for a pre-trial date on December 19th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
You said this December 19th?
December 19th, if you come in with a valid driver's license earlier than that, come on in and we'll pull the file.
And I can come to the courtroom, you saying?
Come to the courtroom, yes.
And what is that again? I'm sorry.
Courtroom 434, 36 District
434. All right.
All right. This is the city of Detroit. If there's nothing further, have a good day, sir.
You as well. Appreciate you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Robert Lee Garrett. Case number SP 1283501, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Ben Wordling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, I think we need more trial. Mr. Garrett, can you state your name for the record, please?
Robert Garrett, Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause in the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Worley.
Judge, we'll stand mute and wait for more reading. Ask any KPS to be set aside, warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. And Mr. Garrett, there's only one offer for this type of case. I call it a non-offer. You're charged with open intox in a motor vehicle driver. That's a 2-point offense, $240 on your a $240 fine, and a 2 points in the alcohol related offense on your license. I call it a non-offer because the only other offer they willing to offer is an open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. That's also a 2-point offense, alcohol related violation on your license, and the same $240 fine. I can set you a trial date. You can see if you can do better. You can't do any worse. That'll be your offer on the date of trial. You can speak to Mr. Warbling if you'd like to. What would you like to do?
We can set a trial up for it.
Okay, I'm going to set the trial for December the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right?
Okay.
On all the matters, trial/formal hearing.
You said December 23rd?
No, December 3rd, I'm sorry.
Oh, December
3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay.
December, I'm strike that. January 3rd.
Okay, cool.
2023. January 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay, the same Zoom courtroom?
Same one.
Okay.
All right.
I'm
Have a great
all
day,
set.
sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
All right, Mr. Phillips.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Who do you have there?
I have Mr. Kondo Tija. He was supposed to be in room 437 this morning, but he was locked out. They locked him out.
I can't help you. We'll call 437. Okay. Who's over there? You know, Madam Clerk?
I can call over there.
We'll try to call over there and see.
Okay.
437.
Can you put his name in the chat with the correct spelling?
Yes.
All right. On the I asked about the 1+ Nord. Is the 1+ Nord here? Can you unmute yourself?
Your Honor, can I send it to you by email or text?
Yeah, you can send me anyway, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
All right, the OnePlus Nord is not answering. What about 4633893? Who's that on the phone? 4633893. They fell asleep as well too. All right, what about Gatewood? All right. What about the gentleman, Gillespie? That's Gatewood there, all right.
Judge, they left the meeting at 9:30, so he may be called.
Yeah, that's Mr. Phillips. Call him, they locked their meeting room at 9:30, Mr. Phillips. We'll give you the telephone number. Yeah, we'll give you the telephone number. You can call over there for him. What about Little? What's going on with Little? Oh, he's waiting on his attorneys. Did you call your attorney, sir?
Okay.
All right, let's move on to Gatewood. This is the city of Detroit.
Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Charles Lamont Gatewood. Case number SP 120-18711, SP 132-1762, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 133-1696, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 133-17101, SP 1363821, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 217414951. Karen, for the record, please.
Please escort Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, state your name, Mr. Gatewood.
Charles Gatewood.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have a valid license, sir?
Yes, I do.
Run his driver's license. Mr. Gatewood. When did you get that license?
November 4th.
You were here last time, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's get the city attorney in here to get him on. I'm gonna pass that matter till we get the city attorney in here to get you an offer, all right?
Okay.
Okay. Congratulations on the license too.
Thank you.
All right.
You better make sure you get
Have a valid license? No, you don't have a license. You don't have a license. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gatewood. Mr. Gatewood, you're not licensed.
I am licensed. I just got my license November 4th.
You're not licensed, sir. This is Charles Lamont Gatewood Jr.
Yes.
Birthday 10/24.
Yes.
Not licensed.
I have proof right here.
That doesn't tell me anything. That's Illinois.
Yes.
Where? Oh, you live out of state, out of the city.
Yes. Yes, I do.
I don't know how we're gonna verify that. I remember you. All right, we're gonna have to pass it and see what the city attorney's gonna offer for that. I remember you now. So you got an Illinois license?
Yes, yes, I do.
All right, let's pass the matter until we get some confirmation on that license. All right, I'm gonna ask this one more time. 4633893. What's your name, please?
Charles Gatewood.
463. What? Gatewood? Are you called in on the phone?
Huh? No.
Who's on the phone at 4633893? Who's on the phone at 661-6882?
Mr. Lay.
Mr. Lay, okay. All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lay.
Good morning, Your Honor. You know I love you, man.
Well, you just saying that because you don't want to go to jail for these tickets.
No, I ain't saying that. I'm saying it because you the reason I got my license. Remember, you told me to get my license, come back, and you was gonna throw the case out.
All right, you got bench warrants here now. Let's see if you got a license.
Yeah, I got a license. I just got them. I didn't know I had no warrant.
All right, let's see. We got warrants now. Let's see if you got a license. All right. Who else do we have? Gillespie. Can you unmute yourself? Everybody unmute themselves. Yeah, you don't have to, Mr. Lowe.
Hello?
Yes, what's your name?
It's Jamise Glaspie.
Glaspie.
GLASP as in Peter IE.
I got that. I don't see you on the document.
Middle name Coleman.
All right, let's see if we can look you up. GLASPIE. And what's your first name?
JAMES.
JALES?
No, JAMES.
MES. JAMES. James Lasky?
Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus James Coleman Lasky. I need to see your face, please. Case number SP135-46261. Appearance for the record, please.
Please, this court.
Okay, give me one moment.
P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
I don't think that they're on the docket today. They're supposed to be at 1:30. Arraignment for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Judge, we'll stand mute and wait for him a reading at this time.
Okay, Miss Lasky?
Yes.
All right, do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
All right, can you produce that insurance for the court, please?
Yes, I'm actually at work right now. I work at a hotel, so I have to run out to my car. So can you give me one brief moment?
All right, I'm gonna put you up, mute your phone, go get that insurance, and I'll pass the matter and recall the case when you get back.
All right, thank you.
Okay, on the 1+ Nord, device, ma'am, in the pink shirt. What's your name, please?
My name is Claudia Greer. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
I apologize. I'm a little stuffy. I'm up under the weather.
All right. No, I'm sorry to hear that, ma'am. All right.
Thank you.
Mr. Lay,
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm about to have the big one.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't hear what you said.
I say I'm about to have the big one.
A big what, Your Honor?
You know what I'm talking about, to have the big one. You got a valid driver's license. I can't believe
I
it.
know. Oh, you talking about the Fred Sanford, huh?
Yeah.
You the reason I got it. Don't you remember me, Your Honor? You gave me this encouragement and told me to go get my license, and if anybody try to stop me from getting my license, to give them your number, and they did try to stop me. But when I mentioned your name, they just turned different and then started being nice to me. And I say, oh, okay, I see what's going on.
It carries that much weight at the Secretary of State, huh?
Yeah, the one in Hamtramck, the one that they was getting, the ones I've been doing this civil rights stuff, man, since '79, man. I've been beat, I've been tortured, I've been through everything, Martin Luther King and Malcolm X. The only thing, I'm still alive. That's why I love God and I love you. I ain't know nothing about no warrant. I told your secretary, I called her a couple of days ago, and I was telling her about, I was just calling to tell the judge I just love him for everything he's done for me. And then she said, no, I'm going to set you a court date and let you tell him yourself. I don't never tell no man I love him. So when I said that to you, I was shocked that you said I said it because of my warrants when I didn't even know I had any warrants.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Lester Odell Lay. Case number SB 1142672, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Warling.
May it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werwing, P64889, on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, Mr. Lay, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Lester Odell Lay Jr.
I was watching Fred Sanford last night. I mean, this has got to be one of the funniest ones when Big Money Grip, his buddy from St. Louis, came in and he said that he was Lamont's father.
Yeah, I like
he broke out the champagne of cold duck. He said, cold duck, cold duck. He said, yeah. He said, man, that's an expensive stuff. Fred said, I ain't had no cold duck since I hit the lottery.
That was a classic one.
That was a classic. All right. Mr. Lay has a driver's license. Tell me this, Mr. Lay, do you have valid registration and insurance?
I don't even have a car, Your Honor. When they stopped me, I had no choice because I was living in my car, and my girlfriend got mad at me because I wouldn't keep giving her my money, and I kept calling the police on her. So when I kept calling the police on her, and the police made her let me in the house, she got mad.
Mr. Lay, you don't got to tell all your business. I'm going to dismiss the case. You got a valid.
Yeah, I tell you anything.
You got a valid driver's license, sir. I'm going to dismiss the cases, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Hey, man, and I do still love you regardless. I didn't know I had no one. I had nobody have my back in a long time.
All right, you got a license now, sir. Good luck to you. And keep on. We need you more right now, Mr. Lay, than we ever have. Because
I'm gonna keep doing the right thing.
We are under siege. All that stuff you fought for back in the civil rights era with Martin Luther King and Malcolm X and all that, they've rolled us back 50 years before then. So you keep on fighting, all right?
Okay, I never give up the struggle because I do anything for my people. And I do again. Once again, I love you, Your Honor. Peace, love, and 101. 101 is all I can give, and I do nothing without my God.
That's what's up. All
Amen.
right, Mr. Lane. Have a very
Amen.
good day. Good luck to you. Have a very good holiday season and keep the fight up, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All
Bye-bye.
right. All right. I'm sorry, Miss, did you say Graves? In the pink shirt under the weather?
No, my name is Claudia Greer.
Greer. You don't
Yes.
look to be under the weather. Oh, they say she wasn't under the weather when she caught this case. This is the city of Detroit versus Claudia LaWanda Greer, case number U60304121. Appearance for a record, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Worthing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, Ms. Greer.
My name is Claudia Greer.
I have this. All right, today is the date and time for a show cause in the matter. Mr. Warbling, go ahead.
We'll stay on mute and wait for a reading at this time, Your Honor.
All right, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. And I want to see.
Excuse me. Wait, hold on. I didn't hear you. First of all, I apologize. Not saying first of all, Your Honor. What is this case for?
That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see.
I'm confused because I've had 5 different court dates. I had 3 that was postponed. I just went to 1 for a home invasion. It was dismissed. Now this was supposed to be. Yes, sir.
You the home invasion?
Yes, I had a yes, because my neighbor took $800.
Miss Greer, please don't give me an explanation. Please don't give me an explanation. All right. Oh, this is.
So what is this called for, Your Honor?
This just baby stuff. This just a public intoxication.
Okay.
This got nothing on a home invasion.
Well, I was dismissed from the home invasion. I'm dismissed from that. I just went to court Friday.
Okay, good. I'm glad.
Yes,
right.
Yes. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. This is you can either do it one or 2 ways. You can either pay $240, I'll dismiss the case, or you can take it to trial. You can't do any worse. It can only get better for you. It'll be, if you get found guilty, it'll be the same $240 on the day of trial. What would you like to do, Ms. Greer?
I would take the $240, Your Honor.
What? You beat the home invasion?
Wait, yes, because I wasn't guilty. I was not guilty.
So why don't you try to beat this? I'm giving you
because maybe I'm not understanding how it's going.
I'm giving you a bird's nest on the ground.
Okay, so whichever way that you think is best for me, Your Honor.
I can't make up that decision for you. Here, talk to Mr. Warbling in a breakout room.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
Mr. Warbling, you better watch him. She'll get you. Join the room, please. I'm sorry, Miss. Go and join the room, Miss Greer. Let's pass that. Okay, Miss Greer, join the room. Talk to Mr. Warbling. Miss Gillespie. Who's on the phone at 586-945-0898?
William LaFave. They had told me to zoom in. I had got a show cause in the mail, but I got the times mixed up with a different court date, and it was supposed to be at 8:45. So they told me to hurry up and zoom in.
Who told you that?
The court lady. The court clerk, sorry.
You have a valid driver's license?
Yeah, I do.
Then the person on the phone at 463 Gatewood. Okay, we're getting an offer for you, Mr. Gatewood. He's got a license. He lives in Illinois. He said he just got his license November 4th. He's been here before. I don't know how, you can't verify it, but he did show me.
Oh, he got his license in Illinois.
He has a license in Illinois. And he's living in Illinois now.
I'll just leave him to sit.
Okay, Ms. Gillespie. Let's go back on the record with James Coleman Gillespie. Did you get the license?
Yes, I have a valid license.
No, I'm talking about, what do we say? You are looking at insurance, I believe.
Oh, yes, I have my proof of insurance.
Let's see that, please. Are you gonna have to give it to me a little closer than that?
All right, give me a moment.
Let's see what we got. Hey, I am going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation, all right? All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day.
Thank you.
All right,
I'm
good
sorry,
luck to you.
we went back on with Gillespie.
Gillespie, yes, I'm sorry. We're back on the record with Mr. James Coleman Gillespie, case number SP 135-46261. And I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a great morning.
Thank you. Okay, that's that. Mr. Warbling, let's get this let's get Ms. Greer back in here. Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Greer. Ms. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Warbling in a breakout room. Mr. Warbling, what does your client want to do?
Judge, she's requesting a bench trial.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Greer?
Yes, sir.
Did he explain it to you? You understand what's going on now?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set a trial date for January the 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Ms. Greer, I want you to have a very good holiday season. I'll see you back after the new year, okay?
Thank you, you as well.
All right, good luck to you. And I hope you feel better.
Thank you.
All right.
Do I leave?
You're free to leave, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay. Gatewood, we got an office for Gatewood. All right, let's go back on the record with Charles Lamont Gatewood. Mr. Gatewood, we can clear all this up with 2 civil infractions. This whole insurance is not that great. It'll cause problems that he's not here now. I don't know what he'll do with the secretary there.
Do you have other civil infractions?
He had 2 expired plates.
I can talk about my expired plates.
All right, 2 expired plates are $145 a piece, and we'll dismiss all the other cases.
Okay.
Those are 0-point offenses. They're civil infractions, and it will not affect your driver's license.
Okay.
All right, you want to take that deal, sir?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Warbling, will you stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find you responsible for SP 132-17621, expired plate, $145. And then I'm gonna find you responsible for SP 133-17101, expired plate, $145. I'm gonna dismiss the other matters. When can you pay, sir?
Around November 30th.
Have it paid by December 8th, 2022. You can upload that app to your phone, DIVDAT, or you can have somebody here come down and pay it for you if you still have anybody in the area.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Gatewood, good luck to you. Have a great day.
All right, you too. You have a blessing.
You too. All right, I don't know what to say, Mr. Little, about, I can give you another date.
Yeah, I guess so. I gave him a text. He texted me back and said he was still in another trial. They didn't say when he was done, so I guess another date I'll have to do. Now,
Yeah, he should have called the court and let us know that. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Marquise Raphael Little. I'm gonna set another pre-trial date. Let's set this for next week. Or we can just set it for trial. Let's set it for trial.
okay.
That's gonna be January the 5th, 2022 at
January.
9 a.m. Yep, tell Mr. Bassan.
Okay, January 5th.
January 5th, 2022. What'd you say, Miss?
23.
2023, I'm sorry, thank you, at 9 a.m.
Okay, January 5th.
Sure, have a holiday season. Good luck to you.
All right, you too. Thanks.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus William Dean Lefebvre, case numbers SP 1308725, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 133615991. Appearance for the record, please.
William Lefebvre.
Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause on the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Warbling.
Judge, we will stand mute and wait for a reading at this time, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond, and at this time, we're gonna try to get an offer for your client. He has a valid driver's license.
Yes, I do.
All right, I'm gonna ask one more time on that 463-3893. Who is that? They must have fallen asleep. You can call them. 313-463-3893. I'm gonna hang
You
up.
said 463.
Yeah,
893.
3893.
893. All right.
I don't know what to tell you, maybe call back in the morning, Mr. Phillips.
Yeah, we need y'all to press.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I apologize for the delay, but appreciate everything you've done.
Yeah, we tried to call over there. I don't know what they said. Did you call them yourself?
No, we tried to hit him up on Zoom and
No, she gave you the phone number to the court.
oh, no, I didn't get that. Sorry.
Yes. I'm ready to give it to you.
Okay, go ahead. Here's the number.
313-965-2405.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
All right, I have a great day. Good luck to you guys.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye. And Mr. Warren, nice to see you again.
It's good seeing you, Mr. Phillips. It's been a while. Always good seeing you, sir.
Yeah, it's good to see that you're healthy. Bye.
Same here. Thank you, sir.
On this one, I'm just asking that it be set for trial. There was an accident, a child was hurt.
Okay. All right, Mr. LaFave.
Yes.
The city attorney wants to speak with the officer. Apparently, there was an allegation that there was an accident and someone was hurt. So in order for them, for us to do that, we're gonna have to set it for trial and bring that officer in.
Yeah, there was multiple people that got hurt in the accident. Me, my daughter, my wife.
Hold on a second, sir. Don't talk too much. The trial date is gonna be January 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right? Talk to a lawyer before you come into court, talking about what happened, all right?
All right.
Have a good day. Have a good holiday, sir. Good luck to you. I'll see you back on January. You need to be able to zoom in too, so I can see your face and you can.
That's fine.
Unless you come into court in person.
Yeah, I'm not coming back to Detroit unless I actually have to.
Well, you might have to. Let's not tell us what you're not going to do now. Let's just zoom in, all right?
All right.
All right. Have a great day.
All right, thanks. You too.
All right, who's that on the phone at 463 that fell asleep on the phone?
It is Terrence Loman, Your Honor. I've been waiting all morning. Terrence Loman.
Loman?
Yes, sir.
I called your name a long time ago.
I don't know this phone number by heart.
This is the city of Detroit versus Terrence Wendell Loman, case number 207-106-471. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, Mr. Loman.
This is Terrence Wendell Loman.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Werbling.
Given the time, and I don't believe that this issuing officer signed in or appeared, we'd move to dismiss.
All right, we're going to dismiss the case for no officer, Mr. Loman. All right, I'm going to waive the warrant. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. There's a $45 reinstatement fee. You can potentially get yourself a license if you pay that $45 reinstatement fee, sir.
Where at, sir?
At the 36th District Court, you need to take this case number down, 207-106-471.
Hold on. You're going too fast, Your Honor. 207?
106.
106?
471.
471. Come on, Ruthie. Say it again, Your Honor. My wife didn't get it.
You're supposed to get it.
207.
Right.
Tell them again.
207. 106.
Hold on.
106.
You getting it?
207 106
471.
471.
All right, good morning to you now.
And what I do with this, I pay the $45 downtown.
Yep, at the courthouse, you You might get lucky and be able to get yourself a driver's license. I don't know. Then I'd go wait 48 to 72 hours to approach the Secretary of State.
So he paid $45 where at?
Well, he looks like he's gonna have to pay, he looks like he's gonna at least have to pay $135, because you got a lot of stuff here, but maybe if you got rid of those 2,000 cases with $135 reinstatement fees on those, you could potentially get a license.
I'm going to pay how much? 100 and what?
135.
$135 reinstatement fee?
Yes, on those 2,000 cases. Just on 2,000 cases.
So where you pay that?
I can give you 2 other case numbers.
Okay, I pay this down in 36 District Court, right?
Yeah, pay it on 204.
204?
Yeah, 204-326-161. And 204-326-16.
Okay, hold on. And the other one, I got the first one and the second one. Okay, what's the third one?
204-36. No, wait a minute. 204-326-161 and 204-326-162.
How many is that?
4.
That's 3.
There's 4 of them.
I'm gonna do them one more time, and that's it. These are start from
All right,
the
hold
top.
on. You get the first. Hold on, y'all. You getting the first piece of paper? Come on, baby, get it. Yeah, he gonna do it one more time for you. All right, she's ready.
207 106 471.
We have that.
204
Mm-hmm.
326 161. 204 326 162.
Okay, you say 204-326-161
Yes.
and 204-326-162.
Yes.
We have all that, Your Honor.
Pay $45 a piece on those, and you can potentially get a driver's license.
Absolutely, you pay it.
You pay that 36 district, right?
Yes.
Wait, brother, I ain't get the. I want to have to wait until next month.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you very much,
For
guys.
your life.
All right, thank you, baby.